Welcome back to Feature Car Update. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a car that continues to redefine what it means to travel in ultimate comfort, power, and innovation. The S-Class has always been known as the gold standard of luxury sedans, and the 2026 version takes that reputation to an entirely new level. From its breathtaking design to its futuristic technology, this car doesn't just move, it glides, whispers, and commands presence like no other. The first thing that captures attention is its new exterior design. Mercedes has taken elegance and sculpted it with precision. The lines are smoother, the grille is more dominant, and the LED digital light headlamps now feature an advanced projection system that can even display symbols on the road. The chrome details, flush door handles, and redesigned rear with dynamic OLED taillights create a masterpiece that balances tradition with modern sophistication. Every inch of the 2026 S-Class screams power and prestige. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a lineup of powerful and refined engines, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The performance is nothing short of remarkable, smooth, effortless, and lightning fast when needed. With advanced air suspension and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, the S-Class seems to float on the road, adapting instantly to every surface and corner. It's a driving experience that's both calm and commanding, one that turns long journeys into moments of pure serenity. Step inside, and the true magic begins. The interior is a work of art, more like a first-class lounge than a car cabin. The seats are wrapped in the finest Napa leather, and every surface feels like it belongs in a luxury yacht or a private jet. The ambient lighting, now offering up to 64 customizable colors, flows gracefully along the cabin lines. The centerpiece is the next-generation MBUX Hyperscreen, a massive, curved display that stretches across the dashboard, responding instantly to your voice, touch, and even gestures. It's smart enough to learn your habits and preferences, offering a truly personalized experience. The 2026 S-Class also redefines safety and automation. It features advanced driver assistance systems capable of semi-autonomous driving on highways, automatic lane changes, and predictive braking. The new interior sensors can monitor your heartbeat and even detect drowsiness, ensuring every drive is not just luxurious but also incredibly safe. Rear passengers enjoy the same level of technology and comfort, with recliner seats, touchscreens, and a built-in massage system that makes long trips feel like a spa retreat. The sound system by Burmester fills the cabin with concert-level audio, and the fragrance system adds an extra layer of personalization, letting you choose scents to match your mood. It's not just a car, it's an experience designed around the senses. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just leading the future of luxury sedans, it is the future. A symbol of success, intelligence, and class, this car is where technology and art meet in perfect harmony. Stay tuned because this is just the beginning of the new generation of automotive excellence.